Numbers in line, exploring fractions, decimals, and percentages. Hello, language learners. Today, we're taking a fun and essential journey in the world of numbers. Specifically, we're going to learn about comparing and ordering fractions, decimals, and percentages using something very simple and visual, a number line. This is a great way to understand these numerical concepts more intuitively. First things first, what exactly is a number line? Well, a number line is a visual representation of numbers placed in order from least to greatest. It helps us to understand the position, sequence, and distance of numbers. Imagine a long straight line. On this line, there's a point marked 0. Points to the right of 0 represent positive numbers, and they increase in value as you move further right. Conversely, points to the left of 0 represent negative numbers, and they decrease in value as you move further left. Now, let's look at fractions. A fraction, like 1/2, means one part of a whole that has been divided into two equal parts. On our number line, 1/2 would be located exactly halfway between 0 and 1. Remember, the smaller the denominator, the bottom number in a fraction, the bigger the fraction is. For example, 1/2 is greater than 1/3. Thus, on the number line, 1/2 is located to the right of 1/3. Decimals are also easy to place on a number line. Like fractions, they represent parts of a whole. However, decimals are based on powers of 10. For example, the decimal 0.5 is equivalent to the fraction 1/2, so it will also be located halfway between 0 and 1 on the number line. When comparing decimals, remember that the more digits to the right of the decimal point, the smaller the value. For instance, 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Percentages are yet another way of representing parts of a whole, but in this case, the whole is always divided into 100 equal parts. For example, 50% is the same as 1/2 or 0.5, so it would be located at the same point on the number line. Finally, we can use the number line to easily compare and order fractions, decimals, and percentages. Simply convert them to the same format, either all fractions, all decimals, or all percentages, and then see where they land on the number line. The ones further left are smaller, and those further right are larger. And that's how you use a number line to compare and order fractions, decimals, and percentages. Hopefully, you now understand these concepts a bit better and can see how they are related to each other. Remember to practice with your own numbers and make your own number lines to get more comfortable. Thank you for joining us today, and happy learning!